How to add music in Canva video. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Canva app. Now let's create a blank project. I will go to mobile video. Now tap on create blank. Now let's import any video from our gallery. Now to add music to video. Now tap on uploads. Now go to audio. Tap on upload files. Tap on 3 lines and go to audio. Now select audio you want to upload. Now select the music you want to upload. By following this simple step, you can add music to Canva video. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.